The UK is warmer than average weather could last until October, the Met Office says. In a briefing for local authorities, it said above average temperatures were more likely than below average temperatures for the next 3 months. Fresher, cooler temperatures are expected from the middle of this week, lasting throughout the weekend.But the Met Office analysis suggests warm, dry conditions could return and continue into the autumn. The 3-month outlook shows an increased chance of high-pressure systems close to the UK, bringing settled weather. This means there is an increased likelihood of warmer than average temperatures, which are 19°C, 16°C and 13°C for August, September, and October respectively, and below average rainfall. However, the difference could be just 1 or 2 degrees above average. A Met Office spokesperson stressed the outlook gave a general trend for the period, rather than a detailed forecast. We need to remember that this is an average for the whole of the UK over a 3-month period, and so there will be variations in weather from day to day and week to week over the whole of the UK, they said. Although temperatures are more likely to be warmer than average over the 3 months, this doesn't mean wall-to-wall sunshine. It can still be warm and cloudy. Temperatures are set to top 30°C in some parts of the UK on Monday.On Tuesday. Temperatures could peak at 34°C in Essex or Norfolk, the Met Office said. However, much of Scotland and Northern Ireland will start the week with some rain.And maximum temperatures are likely to dip to around the mid-20s by Wednesday. Forecaster Dean Hall said there will be quite a marked change to the feel of things from the middle of the week as conditions turn fresher and more changeable. It is likely to stay cooler throughout next weekend, he said, with no real sign of any return of the heat that we have been seeing over the recent days. It comes amid a sweltering European heatwave, with Portugal and Spain being hit by the hottest temperatures. British holidaymakers are being warned to avoid spending time in the sun during the hottest part of the day and to keep hydrated. Last week, local records were smashed in 8 areas of Portugal, while Lisbon broke a 37-year-old record with temperatures reaching 44°C on Sunday. Red health alerts for extreme heat have been issued for more than half the country, and hot, dry conditions have led to several wildfires. In Spain, heat warnings were issued for 41 of the country's 50 provinces. The conditions played a part in the deaths of 2 men, one in Barcelona and the other in the southern region of Murcia, according to Spanish authorities. Extreme heat is a challenge for millions of people in large parts of the world. Of course, it can be a blessing for anyone on holiday. And it's certainly easier to tolerate if buildings are designed to cope with high temperatures with Mediterranean-style shutters and deep balconies and bright reflective walls. But for the elderly and the very young, and for people who have to work outside, such as construction workers and farmers, finding respite can be difficult. The obvious solution is air conditioning. The former leader of sweltering Singapore once said aircon was the key to his country's remarkable success. But chilling a room involves displacing the heat. It has to go somewhere, and that means boosting temperatures outdoors.In a city already warmer than the surrounding countryside. It's like turning up an oven. For climate scientists, none of this is a big surprise. As far back as 1990, a UN panel warned that global warming would mean more extremes of heat of the kind we're seeing right now.